guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know you missed me, but I missed you more. So I am here to tell you some tips, the secrets of having my 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 views. Yeah, right here in my channel. I had 5,000 views in 2 weeks, and I just did some few things. I overlooked those things, and right now I can proudly tell you that you have to do those things to have 5,000 views in 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. 2 good weeks, then you have your 5,000 views all in one video. And I'm going to show you that video right here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. How I gained my 5,000 views in just 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Oh, you just have to learn some tips. Few tips on how to gain your 5,000 views just in 2 weeks. And J-Bush channel has got this just in 2 weeks. So you can do it. You can also do it. So let's get it started. Do you know about keywords? Very important. Keywords. So keywords is very important in YouTube video creation. So if you want to create your videos, think of the keywords to use. Your descriptive keywords is very important for you in creating your videos. So think of the keywords related to your video, the title, very important. Descriptive keywords that can really tell people what you're doing. Tags are very important in video creation. In your filming, you need to know about that, learn about it, and create good related tags for your video. The thumbnails. Thumbnail. I remember when I started creating videos on my YouTube channel, I was using my picture as a thumbnail. I didn't know about it. So when people started asking me questions about thumbnails, then I was like, whoa, what is it about? Then I started reading, and I saw pictures and videos online that people create thumbnails, beautiful ones related to the videos. Then I started making them, and now I can tell you that people love my videos, and I have a lot of views because of the creative and lovely thumbnails I create. Learn how to create them. I create my thumbnails. I use them. Canva is cool, and one other top-notch app. I will think about it and tell you. Down. So check my comment section, and you will see that on the descriptive parts about the tool I use for my thumbnail. Talk about content creation. It's very important. You either create videos either entertaining or educating. That's what I do. So right now I'm trying to educate you and tell you how I got my 5,000 views in just 2 weeks. Is it entertaining? I am not funny, so I might not be that entertaining. So look, if you're creating videos in educating or entertaining, go ahead and have your niche and do it to attract people, so people get to like your videos and subscribe, view organically, so you don't get to beg people, please view my picture, view my video, comments, share. So right here, I'm trying to tell you how I got my 5,000 views just in 2 weeks. So after then, do you have a playlist? Playlist is very important. I create my playlist. Hold on, have you subscribed to my channel? Are you sure you have subscribed to my channel? You just have to subscribe to my channel so you get the latest updates on issues, on things like this. So you get to know how to get your views, how to style your hair, DIY on hair treatment, product to use for your hair, all from my channel. Don't mind me, I decided to wear my latest wig today, and guess what? I made the wig myself, so check it out. Okay, subscribe and get the latest. Turn on the notification button on and get every notification of my videos, my latest updates. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.